Hello friends, I am Dr. Rajesh Verma. I am Director Orthopedics, Joint Replacement and Spine Surgery at W. Pratiksha Hospital, which is situated in Gurgaon, New Delhi. I have been to Erbil 7 times. This time I had an opportunity to visit Erbil International Hospital, which is truly a world-class facility with modern infrastructure. The theaters are very good, the instrumentation is world-class, and surprisingly the Iraqi doctors are very skilled, the operation theater technicians, staff. I find everything very good, and I specialize in difficult revision spine surgeries, scoliosis and kyphotic deformities, difficult joint replacements, revisions of hip and knee replacements. I do it here. This time I had a great opportunity to showcase my skills and to learn and unlearn few things from Iraqi friends. I did 3 complicated surgeries. One was scoliosis, where the child was having so much of deformity. Second case was dysplastic hip in a small children, such a female child, where I did a small hip replacement, which is very successful. And third case was the revision knee replacement. And on last day, I had to do one cervical myelopathy, in which the bone directly goes inside the spinal cord, and it was truly successful. I am really impressed with the international hospital here in Erbil, and I don't have any doubt why can't we do anything here. Everything is great. I wish good luck to the Erbil International Hospital and all of the team of Medicol. Thank you so very much for inviting me here. I am really grateful.